Okay, are you guys clear with my point? This is the like whenever you declared abstract keyword with before the class name, then it will be treated as a abstract class. Abstract class. Here, the in the interview perspective, very regular question is what is the difference between the abstract method? So we'll try to understand abstract method and non-abstract method. Non-abstract method. So this is the normal method, and whenever you declare this normal method with with abstract then it is the abstract method. So in the are you guys clear with my point? If you declare the method signature with abstract, then you can say that is the abstract method. So abstract method doesn't contain any body. Abstract method doesn't contain any body. Okay, non-abstract method will contain the body. So non-abstract will contain the body, but in case of abstract method it doesn't contain any body. Okay, it doesn't contain any body. It doesn't contain any body. Okay, well, this is all about abstract classes. You can achieve with the so abstract class allow only abstract methods only. It can allow both abstract and non-abstract methods. Basically, you can write abstract methods and you can write non-abstract methods also. Non-abstract methods meaning no need to mention the abstract keyword. Like this, you can write the M2, and here you can write the implementation like this. So abstract class allow both methods, abstract methods and non-abstract methods. Non-abstract methods. Okay. Next, interface. So interface is the very important. So interface are used to achieve the loose coupling. Interface are used to achieve the loose coupling. So we'll try to understand what does it mean by loose coupling. Like I will take one paint, MS Paint. So through that I will explain what does it mean by tight coupling and what does it mean by loose coupling. Then we'll get off awareness. We get the awareness. This is the one class. You can assume this is the one class. This is the one class. Yeah, this is the one class, and here we have one class. Okay, this one is the class A. This is the class A. This is the class A. Okay, so I'm taking this on camera. Class A. Okay, this is the class A, and this is the class B. This is the class B. If class B depends on class A, class B depends on class A, then this is tight coupling. Whenever one class will depends on another class, then that files you can say tight coupling. Tight coupling. Are you guys clear with my point? This is the class A and this is the class B. Whenever one class depends on other class, then we can say tight coupling. Whenever one class will depend on the other class, then we can say that is the tight coupling. In case of interfaces are used to achieve the loose coupling. Okay, loose coupling. So I will tell some example, then you will get the clarity. So whenever the one class doesn't depend on the other class, then we can say that is the loose coupling. Are you guys did you get the clarity? Tight coupling and loose coupling. When one class depends on the class B depends on the class A, then we can say that is the tight coupling. And one class doesn't depend on the another class, then we can say that is the loose coupling. Okay. So next, in the interface contains abstract methods only. Abstract methods only. Abstract methods only. Okay. To create the interface, Next, to create the interface, we will use interface keyword. We will use interface keyword. Are you guys clear with my point? Next step. Normally, I will tell the syntax. So the syntax is similar to class only. Syntax similar to class only. For example, normally how will you write the class? So class and demo. So class is the keyword. So instead of class now, from now onwards, we will take the interface. Instead of class, we will take the interface. Interface also keyword. Interface also keyword. Okay, interface is also keyword. Interface is also keyword. So for this is the syntax for the interface. Access specifier, interface is the only. For example, I will take one file, example file, then through that I will explain. For example, if I open my desktop, in my desktop, I will take any folder of batch folder. Okay, here I am taking one file. The file name already will be having some file. So test.java I am taking. Test.java I am taking. So now instead of class, I will take interface. I will take the interface. Main method also need. Main method is not required. Okay. Now instead of class, we need to mention the interface. 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 Okay. This is clear. Inside the inside the interface contain only abstract methods. Abstract method meaning it will contain only abstract method. Abstract void m1 method. M1 method only, it doesn't contain any body. It doesn't contain any body. Okay, it doesn't contain any body. This is the interface class. In the interface class, it doesn't have any. It doesn't. The methods have don't. The methods have. It will contain only abstract methods. The abstract method doesn't have any body. Okay, doesn't have any body. And this abstract is declaring this abstract is optional. If you like it or don't like it, if you not mention the abstract keyword, so the compiler it will provide by default. The compiler it will provide by default. So like you can write the methods here. So the compiler will provide by default abstract keyword. Abstract keyword. I will show you. So I'm. This is the class. The class is having public interface test, and here we'll be having only I have taken two methods. I'm taking only two methods, and I'm going here and I'm opening command prompt. I will open command prompt. Java test.java. The file has successfully compiled, and if I Java test, what is it showing? Please define a main method. Okay, we need to mention the main method. The main method should be like this: public static void main, public static void main, and we need to mention the string need to mention the string aux and no, not it will contain only abstract methods only, not this one. So we need no need to compile. These two are methods. Okay, if I am not declaring the abstract keyword, the compiler it will provide abstract methods by default. Okay, abstract methods by default. So how will you will be having the command? The command is java p and our class test. Now you can observe public abstract void. Who is providing this abstract keyword? Compiler is providing. JVM is providing this abstract keywords. Okay, are you guys clear with my point? If you like it or don't like it, you like it or don't like it, by default these methods are the by default these all the methods are the abstract only. Hmm? Uh, uh, uh. So interface contains only abstract methods only. Interface contains only abstract methods only. Okay, I'm going to here. So are you guys clear with my point? To create interface, we will use the interface keyword. We, to create interface, we will use the interface keyword. Next thing is we cannot create object for interfaces. Object for interfaces. Object for interfaces. This is the one point. So for interfaces, for the classes, you can create the objects. But in case of interfaces, we cannot create any object for the interfaces. Any object for the interfaces. Any object for the interfaces. Are you guys clear with my point? Next point. Once create the interface, once create the interface, once create the interface, anybody can write the implementation. Anybody can write the implementation. Anybody can write the implementation. So this one I will show you. For example, so I will take the bank examples. In the bank examples, so all the banks, RBI is the father of the all banks. RBI is the father of all banks. For example, this is the RBI bank, and this RBI bank is having. This is the RBI bank. This one is the RBI bank. Okay, this RBI bank is having multiple childrens, like child banks, like some banks like SBI and HDFC, and like some Kotak Bank, some Union Bank, some Union Bank. These are the banks. These are the child banks. This is the SBI Bank. This one is the SBI. This one is the SBI Bank, and this one is the like some Union Bank or else some HDFC Bank, and this one is the some Union Bank, uh, Union Bank, and this one is the ICICI Bank. Anything you can take, okay? ICICI Bank, ICICI Bank. So in the RBI, it will tell the methods like money transfer. It will tell the methods that is the money transfer. RBI it will tell them it will provide some guidance. The guidance is first one is the money transfer. First one is the money transfer. Money transfer. Okay, these are the some guidelines will provide by the RBI. And second one is the like check balance like that. Check balance. Check balance. Okay. Now RBI provided some guidelines to all the banks, money transfer and check balance. So this rule will provided by the IDI, RBI, but this implementation don't know RBI. Like this only know the function. We need to money transfer, but that implementation should write related to the banks. Are you guys clear with my point? RBI is having RBI is telling to the banks so money transfer and check balance. So these methods aware these two methods are RBI is telling to the this is the method names, but implementation will be written based on their requirements So all the methods, this is the guide. This you can assume this is the rules. RBI is provided the rules. Based on the rules, they will write their own implementation. They will write their own implementation. They will write their own implementation. I will tell some another examples also. That, you get the clarity. Okay. Now I will take some. I will tell some uses of interface. Okay. Now you are. This is the person, and here this is the person. Okay. This is the person. Now this person is sitting here. Okay, this is the person, and here we have the fan. 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 So the person want to start the fan and the person want to stop the fan. So in this person who is the mediator will be having the regulator. Regulator is the mediator in between the fan and person. This he is the person, and this is the fan. The person want to start the fan and the person want to stop the fan. So in this case, regulator is the mediator. Regulator is the mediator. Are you guys clear with my point? In the same, I will tell one more example. For example, I'm taking the same one person we have here, and here we have the TV. Here we have the TV. Now this is the TV and this is the person. The person want to change the channels and the person want to like increase the volume and all. So in this case, remote TV remote is the mediator. TV remote is the mediator. TV remote is the mediator, and with the help of TV remote, you can change the channel. Now I am going here. Once create the interface, anybody can write the implementation. Anybody can write the implementation. Implementing the interface nothing but implementing the interface nothing but implementing the interface meaning overriding the abstract methods only. Overriding the abstract methods only. Overriding the abstract. Guys, can you please read these all the points? What does it mean value sculpting? If the class is doesn't depend on the other class, then we can say that is the do sculpting. Okay, next point. What is the next point? In the interface, interface contains abstract methods only. Okay, interface contains abstract methods only. Interface contains abstract methods only. Next, third point. To create interface, we will use the interface keyword. We will use interface keyword. Next, fourth point. Fourth point. Once we cannot create objects for the interfaces. And fourth point, once create the interfaces, anybody can write the implementation. Anybody can write the implementation. Next, fourth point, implementing the abstract interfaces meaning overriding the abstract methods only. Overriding the abstract methods only. This is the syntax for the interface. This is the syntax for the interface. Okay. It's taking some time for loading the Eclipse. Are you guys clear with my point? Basically, abstraction, the main purpose of abstraction is which is used to hide the unnecessary data and provide required information. Provide information, required information. So in the methods, we can one step down. We have the concrete methods and abstract methods. Abstract is the keyword which we can declare abstract methods and abstract classes. Okay, we can achieve the abstraction using the abstract classes and interfaces. And in the regular question is, what is the difference between the abstract methods and non-abstract methods? Abstract method doesn't contain any body. Abstract methods doesn't contain any body. Abstract methods, abstract methods, abstract method doesn't contain any body. Doesn't contain any body. Non-abstract method meaning normal methods. Non-abstract methods meaning normal methods only. Normal methods. Normal methods. It contain body. It contain body. Okay. So I am creating one package. The package name I am mentioning abstraction package. The package name is abstraction. The package name is abstraction. And here I would like to create the main class, that is the I am creating the interface. So whatever you want, you need to mention interface. Interface name. I am mentioning the RP. I am mentioning the